Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today, I'll solve exercise 4.3, Roman number 5. Examine whether the points 1, minus 2 lies on the graph of the equations 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Here, in the given questions, we have to check in whether the given points lies on these equations or not. Right? So this is the things which we need to examine in this. In order to solve this, first of all, let us put the values of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2 and solve the left hand side of these equations. And if we can get 7, which is in the right hand side, by solving the left hand side, then we will write left hand side is equal to right hand side, and I will conclude that these given points lies in these equations, since whatever values that we got in the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Alright, but in case if the values that we got after computings in the left hand side is not matched or is not equal to the right hand side, then in that situations we will say that the given points does not lie in these equations. Alright, so this is all about the questions. These definitions will be used even in Roman number 5 as well as in Roman number 6, right? Now, without wasting our time, let us solve today's Roman number 5. We have, what is the given point that we have? It is 1, minus 2. Let us write that one. And what is the equations? It is 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y equal to 7, right? And after that, what is the values of x that we have, which is given at this point? It is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Now, in order to solve according to the definitions that we just discussed, let me write this as in the left hand side. 3x minus 2y. What is the values of x that we got in this? It is 1 minus y. What is the values of y that we have in this? It is minus 2. 3 times 1 will give you 3, and minus into minus, it will be plus. 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 plus 4 will give you 7, right? Now, using the values of x and y and computing in the left hand sides of these equations, we got 7, which is exactly the same as the one which is in the right hand side. Thus, we can conclude that these given points lies in these equations. You write it here, left hand side is equal to, you can write it as right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. At last, we can say that given points, what is the given point? It is 1, minus 2. It is lies in these equations. Lies in the equations. What is the equation? It is 3x minus 2y equal to 7, right? Then let us move to the next, which is Roman number 6. Here, you are given a weight. Check whether the points minus 3, 2 lies on the graph of the equations 4x plus 7y equal to 9. Means, whatever points it is given to us, let us take it as values of x as well as y. And after putting all this, let us compute whatever things it is in the left hand side. And we have to examine it, whether the values that we got in the left hand side is same with whatever it is in the right hand side. If it is same, then we can conclude that it is the points, these points lies in these equations. If it is not, then we'll say that this point doesn't lies in these equations. Now, first of all, let me write here solution. And what is that? It is given, right? So what is given to us? It is minus 3, 2. And after that, here, what is the values of x that we have in this? X values is minus 3, and values of y, which we came to know from this point, it is 2. And now let me write the equations. What is the equations? It is 4x plus 7y equal to 9. Let me take the left hand side. It is 4x plus 7y. Now the values of x that we got it from the point itself, it is minus 3 plus y. What is the values of y that we have? It is 2. Let me compute it again. What is this? Minus time of plus. It is minus. And 4 times 3 is 12. And 7 times 2 is 14. Right? Minus 12 plus 14 means 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12 will give you 2. And the sign just before the greater number, it is plus. Because of that, we have to take that one. And if it is plus, we don't have to write that. Just keep it as it is. Alright? Then at last, we came to see that here it is 2, which we got it from the left hand side. But the one which is in the right hand side, it is 9. Thus, we can see that it is not matched, or exactly, it is not same, right? It is not same. Thus, what will be the conclusion for this? We can conclude that thus the given points. What is the given points? It is minus 3, 2. Does not lies in the equation. In the equations, what is the equations? It is 4x plus 7y equal to 9, right? So these are the two questions which we'll solve today. And the first thing that we solve is, it is the given points lies in these equations. And secondly, the given points does not lies in these equations. Alright? Okay, so here we have solution. Actually, all the things are given to these equations, then we have to write it given. Alright? Now this is all about the questions which we are about to solve today. And now we solve up to this. And if you guys have any problem in understanding all this, you can ask me in comment sections. I wish you all the best, and hopefully we'll see in the next videos. That's all for today. Thank you.